It's nice weather out today. It's about probably 60 degrees, 64 degrees maybe. Right now we got about 5 hours to the sunset, so kind of just looking for a good place to start fishing. Maybe get some food. I am a little bit hungry. And then find a place to set up camp for sure. So kind of just following this lake right here, and we're gonna go from there. It's pretty muddy over here, but we are getting on that sandy side of the I'm glad that I didn't put on my my jacket. I got it on my bag right there. But yeah, because I am starting to cook up a sweat for sure. So I'm gonna come through here honestly right now. Kind of just look for a place to maybe set up camp and get things moving, you know? Because once I can get most of the stuff off my back, then I can kind of be able to just roam around and kind of look and see what is out there. All right, I think I found the trees that I want. So it's time to put up the hammock. Let's get that going. We're gonna have to get more water eventually. All right, let's get this started. Okay. Come on. All right. Ow. I cut my hand literally the second I got here. Go right here. Okay, there we go. That up. Right here is fine. Okay, there we go. Alright. Let's test it out. Ugh. Oh yeah. That's comfy. And I can pop it over like this at night. Alright, well we got the hammock done. Depending on if it gets colder or not today, and then I'll pop out the sleeping bag for extra warmth, but that seems good. Gonna get the tarp probably over it. Yeah, alright, let's do that. Alright, I need to get out some paracord. Okay. Let's go like this. And let's go all the way till we get about right there's fine. Then we loop it under, and then we go over. But 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and then we go around, create a loop like this with our thumb, and pull it through like this. There we go. So now what you can do is you can readjust it however you want. So if you want to make it tighter, you want to make it looser. So we'll do that. We'll get that tight on there. And bring it across. Okay. Big tarp. Take it and then let's just throw it over. Like this. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just basically bring it out like this. Let's go do that. I think I found a good one right here. So when you cut one of your paracords, right, because it has all the fibers in there and stuff, and you don't want that to get loose, what you can do is take a lighter, kind of just get it warm, and then just pinch it like that. Just be careful though, it's kind of hot. But that said, you make sure you get that fire out though. But it's all gonna melt together. Let's see if I got that right. There we go. So now it's all melted together. And it's a sticky wax, so. There you go. Boom. Well, it's not the prettiest, but it sure ain't the ugliest. So we'll take that. We'll just put that right there. Honestly, I don't think I need the sleeping bag. It's beautiful out right now. I was a bit hesitant because it literally snowed like 2 days ago. And it was like 20 degrees, so. I'm starting to get a little hungry. So I might head over there soon. I do want to get some pictures of those birds. The geese. I don't know. I think I saw a swan. I might be wrong, but oh wow. Okay, so this right here. Let me see if I can show you without. Yeah, this right here is a Carolina horse nettle berry, and they are extremely poisonous. So they kind of look like watermelons, or kind of like pumpkins, honestly. I don't know if it will show or focus on it, but with the little stem and everything, kind of looks like a pumpkin. But yeah, definitely don't eat these, or you'll start to vomit and get pretty nauseous. So these are very poisonous. I'm pretty sure they're more toxic during fall. So some good news is that the sun's pretty. Bad news is that we didn't catch any fish. Very unfortunate, but it's 7:30, sun's setting, and I gotta get the fire going. Problem is this whole area is pretty flammable, so we gotta be careful, of course. But yeah, like no bites at all, not a single bite. So really unfortunate, but it's okay because we have some hot dogs. We'll cook up some hot dogs and then we'll just relax, you know. Sit by the bed and call it a night. So